In this video, we will be introducing a new feature of Trado, that is MTM Auto SL Trailing. To explore this feature, let's log in with your broker credentials. Okay. And let's first have a recap of how we can set our MTM target and MTM SL. Like before taking trades, you can set your MTM target and SL. Like if I want 500 rupees as a target, I can set it 500. And currently my MTM is 0. So if this MTM goes to minus 500 rupees, then I will exit my position. So what I will write here, I will write negative sign and 500. See, minus 500 and set it. If you simply write 500, then it will not set. It will say enter SL value less than MTM. For more details, you can see the last video of MTM. Okay. And here we will set our MTM SL to be auto trail. Like if I set minus 250, then if this point goes up, then my MTM SL will automatically come to 240, 230 or 210, 200. It will decrease automatically. Let's see how we can set this also. Simply you have to click on this MTM SL text. Okay. So if you click on this MTM SL text, then this box will convert to MTM trailing. You will get an option of setting your MTM trail. Simply enable this MTM trailing, okay, and set your points. Like if I set 1 point and set it, if my MTM goes with 1 points up, my SL will also come with 1 point up. If I set here MTM trailing as 10 points, if this MTM SL is at 250 and my trailing point is at 10 points, then whenever this MTM goes up with 10 points, this MTM SL will trail to 240, minus 240. Okay, whenever this MTM, if it goes to 100 rupees, then this my minus 250 will come to minus 100. Okay, it will trail like this. With 10 points, it will trail. In every 10 points, it will trail. And if you set 1 points trailing, then it will trail according to that. Okay. Now let's have a live demonstration of this feature. Let's go to the broker terminal. There we will verify our orders and see how our MTM target SL working. Now all set. Now we will set some MTM target like 100 rupees target and some SL, like already my MTM is in negative, like minus 42. Okay, so I will set here like if I set to minus 150 or minus 200. Okay, see, I set to minus 200 and I will set MTM trailing SL also. I will click on this MTM SL text, then this box will convert to MTM trailing and I will enable this MTM trailing and set some points. Like if I set 1 points trailing, then if this MTM goes in positive with 1 points, my SL will trail with 1 points. This minus 200 will come up. Okay, I will take some random trade. I will take trade in Nifty because it's expiry today. We will take trade in this, just buy. Okay, see, I buy this position and see, my MTM came to at minus 38. So my SL also getting trailed at 176. And if I increase my positions, like say my MTM SL is getting trailed, I can increase my position. Like if I increase some more lots, I will take trade in Bank Nifty also. See, my MTM SL getting trailed to minus 84. I will take position in this Bank Nifty also. My trailing SL got hit at 73 rupees. So my all position got exited. See how fastly it's getting trailed. In just 4.55 seconds, I'm booking my profits. I bought at 132 and I sold at 135. This trade just taken 10 to 12 seconds. And if you want to take trades to here, then it will take too much time. This is the issues which brokers used to give, and you can do that all things here very fastly. You can trail your SLs also very fastly.